Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today is Saturday, January 23rd, and I wanted to share a home decor haul with you guys. So the first part is going to be a home decor haul, and then the second part is going to be an organizational haul. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So without no further ado, let's jump into this haul. So you guys, first item that's up, I did pick up, whoops, almost dropped it. Two of these decorative bowls from HomeGoods. One is larger than the other. This is the bigger one. This is the smaller one. This I got for $29.99. You guys can see it's brass in color. It has like a shell texture on the outside, and then on the inside it has more of a I would say like a hammered look and texture inside. I really love the way this looks. Is very modern and minimalistic. And this one I got for $24.99 as well. So it is a set. I was super surprised to find this in HomeGoods because you have to travel to different HomeGoods to find different items. I don't think I would ever have found these two in my local HomeGoods, but I did have to go quite a few miles just to find this one. So I'm really happy to add this to my collection as well. Of course, if you guys watch my Target shop with me, I did pick up this that's a part of the Studio McGee collection. This one is $20, and as you can see, it's similar to the two bowls that I have. It's brass in color and it has a matte texture. I really love the look of this. It's very simple and minimalistic, which is the look I'm going for. So you could pick this up at Target for 20 bucks. Next up, I don't know if you guys have seen these two items, but I did pick up these crystal candle holders from HomeGoods. This one is $14.99. This one is $12.99. I like to add a little sparkle to my space. I don't like it too monotone. I need to add texture, you know, and anything that sparkle, but not too much. I call it home jewelry. So a little bit of home jewelry here and there is nice. You don't have to overdo it, you know, but just a little bit goes a long way. And I really like these two candle holders. I will put these on my coffee table. Next up, I did pick up these two selenite candle holders for my dining table. They're both $6.99, very affordable, very simple. If you guys can see, it's matte in texture. I love the minimalistic look of it. Really easy to move around in your space, whether in your living room, bedroom, dining room. This is great to add and also to use as candle holders, which I really like. Next up, I did pick up this bowl. It is the footed bowl, stoneware, handcrafted. It's a part of the Project 62 collection. This I got from Target, and this was only 30 bucks. It is a great piece to have in your home. It's very versatile, transitional. You could use it in your living room, bedroom, dining room, on a side table, coffee table. You could put moss inside, or decorative balls, whatever it is, or beads, whatever it is that you know that you like. This is very great to have in your home, and it's very transitional. Another item I did pick up was this frame, this art frame I got from HomeGoods. I really like the minimalistic, simplistic look of it. It has the outline of a woman's face. It's very simple, and it also has two like a neutral color palette right here in the middle, just to anchor the look. I did also order another art framed art framed art. It's black and white. I'm hoping that these two will blend well together or work well together. So as soon as I have it delivered to my home, I'm going to see, you know, what it looks like on my wall. If I'm happy with it, of course, yes, this stays. If not, then I'm just gonna have to keep looking until I find something that works well with it. But this I got for $16.99 at HomeGoods. I also picked up this cream and black knot from Overstock. I thought it would have been more similar to the Studio McGee knot, because you know online is not really what you think you're gonna get in real life. But I didn't expect it to be this big, but I still love it. I really bought it because of the color, but I was really surprised to see it this big. But I will let it work in my space. So I really love this knot. This knot you could pick up on Overstock. Of course, I would link everything down below, but I'm really feeling this. It is so big. I never expected it to be this big. But let's jump into the other section. Okay guys, so we are on to the organizational decor or items that I did pick up to organize my space a little bit more, because I am decluttering. So I went to the Container Store and also Amazon to pick up some items to organize my space a little bit better. I picked up these 3 boxes from the Container Store. They're part of the KonMari Container Store X KonMari collection. I'm loving her collection. It's very aesthetically pleasing, very minimalistic, affordable as well. There's some of the items that are on the higher end, but if you're really into aesthetically pleasing items, her line is great. These storage boxes, from top to bottom, the storage box, it's $14.99 and then $16.99 for the larger box. I think that's very affordable, and they also always give you discounts, so I always recommend that you do utilize your discount coupon, because then you could save even more money, because shopping at the Container Store can become a big bill, and because there's just so many great items, you want to buy everything. So just, you know, always remember to limit yourself, be on a budget, and, you know, utilize the coupons that's available to you as well. So I did also pick up this storage basket. Is a part of the Yamazaki line. This one I got for $24.99. I did pick up 2. I'm looking to organize my my pantry, but I like this. It's very simple, sturdy, and minimalistic, and I'm also loving the wood feature on here. It kind of breaks up the black and give it a little bit of texture and interest. So I really love this basket. I did also pick up another basket. This one is a part of the Urban Storage basket. This one I got on sale. This was for $23.99, which isn't bad. I did pick up 2, and this is to hold some of my laundry items and also my my food items. But I'm really loving this. It's very simple and minimalistic and spacious. So if you're interested, you can pick this up at the Container Store as well. Oops, something in my ears. Next up, I did pick up these 2 items. This is a part of the Threshold collection. This is the drawer organizer to organize my utensils, such as my spoons, forks, knives, and also my larger utensils for cooking. I need to pick up another one of these, but I did get this one for $7.99, and this one is for $12.99. Super affordable. You could get this at Target. So if you're looking to simplify and organize your drawers, I recommend these. I can't wait to reorganize my drawer. I need to go get another one, which I shall do today or later on today, because I do have to bring back some stuff to Target that I did get. Now I was able to pick up this item, well, 2 items. I got the spice jar labels. I got these from Amazon. I will link it down below, but this is a part of the Savvy and Sorted spice label brand. You could get this on Target. Sorry, not on Target, on Amazon. Gosh, I'm so used to going to Target now. Target is stuck in my head. But I really like how minimalistic and simplistic this looks. Let me show you. I did put one on the jar, but this is what it looks like on the jar. And this jar is a 4-ounce jar. I am going to reorganize my spice collection, and I really like how simplistic this looks. if you guys can see, if it could focus. But I'm really loving these jars, and I did purchase 2 boxes of these. So another organizational item that I was able to pick up at the Container Store was these plastic containers. I want to organize my rice, you know, all the things in my pantry a little bit better to make it more easy to access. Now I was able to pick up this set of 5 from the Container Store. The set was for $24.99, but you can see the lid is quite tight and it's able to keep your food nice and fresh and stored, as well as sealed, you know, in order for it not to go stale. So I think it's a great item to purchase. I think they're sold out right now because I did go back to the Container Store to see if I could get some more, but I was not able to see any on the shelf. So you probably could pick this up online, but this is what it looks like. You get two of these, and then one tall one. It's about this tall. I will get it, but I do have things stored in it at this time. But I think these are great, and they're effective at storing and sealing your items in the pantry. So you guys, that's it. That is my home decor / organizational haul. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were able to find some items that you want to use in your home as well. Of course, if you have any questions, you could always leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.